Hi friends, how are you? Okay, today we are going to discuss a few little topics. Uh, Number one is the checkout, and second one is reset, and the third one is revert. Okay, I'm going to clearly explain about what is checkout, what is reset, and what is revert. Okay, okay. First we have to know what is checkout. Okay, let me show one thing. Okay, let's see. Here we are. Let's think. It's this is the working area, and this one is index area or staging area, and this one is the committed area or local repo. This one is server or remote area. Let's write there. So, okay, what is this? This one is a working area. This one is index or staging area, and this one is the committed or local repo. This one is a remote server. Okay, let's see what is happening here. From here to here we are going to use command called add. From here to here we are going to add command. Use command is commit. From here to here we are going to use push. Okay, let's write there. By adding command from working area to moving to staging area. By commit it will move to local repository. By pushing it will move to remote repository. Okay, all this is okay. This is actual process. So where we are going to use this checkout means we are added. We are in presently we are in working area. So if you want to okay, suppose let's say like this, if you made some changes in your code in working area and saved your VI editor, and you are not yet added, you are in the working area only, you are going to add it, but you want to replace the code with your previous code only, you don't want to make any changes. At that time you are going to use checkout. Means like this. At this place we are going to use checkout. Means for visual purpose. Okay, you are saved some code in your VI editor and you are not yet added. You are about to add to staging, but you want to revert back at that position. You use check, so it will come back to your standard code where you are being. Come back to your previous code only. Okay, let me do on this hands-on. Let's go to my command prompt. Okay, I'm going to here one. I'm taking one project one in this doc, and I'm going to use this file. Okay, next. Okay, let's me open command. See, first of all, see, I'm going to use this NXT file. Let's cat that file. We are checking what is in that file. See, there is a three lines in that. Okay, there are 3 lines of code in that file. So now I'm going to add 2 more lines. Okay, let's add 4th line. This is 4th line. Let's add 5th line. This is 5th line, and I am going to save it. Okay, let's do cat again. See, I entered 2 lines of code more, and I didn't. Let's check the status. Let you know. Oh, sorry, I did. Sorry. See, that's the file is yet to be added. Use git add file to update what will be committed. Okay, this is not yet added. It is in the working area only. Now it is about to add. So at this time we don't want the whatever I entered the 2 lines. I don't want that. I want to my previous 3 lines of code only. I don't want to add. So at that time what will we use? We just go for the git checkout and file name. This command we are going to use. This command. See, update one path from the index file. Let's see git status. Git log. See, one commit ID has been there, and let's see the status. Git status, there is nothing to commit yet. So let's do is the what I enter the data inside the file is still remain same, or did it removed? Okay, see, I entered 2 lines and saved, but it revert back. The 2 lines has been removed, so it came to its previous origin position. When we start, it revert back to its previous position. So like that we are going to use, like that we have used checkout. So you don't confuse, there are 2 types of checkouts. When we are switching between the branches also is there checkout, and this is another checkout. Okay, it's fine. And The next one is reset. Okay, what is reset? So let's going to discuss about this here, but before that, there are three types of in the resets. One is soft, and one is mixed, and one is hard. Okay, but this one is the default. This one is the default. When we didn't mention anything soft or mixed or hard, then it will directly by defaultly it will take mixed only. Okay, let's see what is these three. Okay, we are going to here diagram again. Okay, see. Okay, okay, let's think like that. Okay, let's think. We enter two lines of code. We enter not two lines. We enter some code of data. Again, we enter some code of data and we added it and we committed it. Where is the committed? These are it. After committing, it will be saved in our local repository. But we didn't push. It's just saved in our local repo. At that time, we want to revert it back. That time we want our code back. We want one step forward or two step forward. We want to come back. So at that position, we are going to use these three. So, but we are using these three in these three types. So I am going to explain these three types exactly what they are going to do. Okay, let's show you how it will be. Okay, I told you that after committed means before push to remote server. After committed from here, if you use soft type, it will come only one step back. Means it will come and show index. Okay, you are committed, but if you want one step, if you want to index a staging area, then you have to use soft. Like sorry, this one is the soft. You have to use soft. Okay. If you want to come back two steps back, I will explain deeply again. I will show hands-on also, but I am make you understand for easy way. Okay, if you want two step back means from committed area to working area, the soft will come back only one step, committed area to index area, as like that. From committed area to you want to come working area, like this. What you are going to use? Mixed, or you just go like treat it as default. Okay, that's fine. Next, if you want to, okay, it's hard. Okay, I will draw a diagram. I am clearly explain what is hard. If you know this, there is nothing between the mixed and hard, but there slide some difference is there. That's why I am drawing diagram first, and I will explain. Okay. This one is the hard. Sorry. Okay, so see some slight difference between the mixed and hard. Okay, what is the difference? Means if you use this command, it will come back one step to in staging area but the content what we enter newly will remain same, it won't remove. Previously you checked, you saw that checkout has it's revert back and the content has been removed, but here not like that. It will revert back, but the content will remain same as like that, it won't remove the content. At the same stage like this mixed stage, at the mixed stage also, from the committed area local repo, it will revert back to working area, but the content will remain same. The content what the new code you will enter will not removed, but it reverse back, it come back to working area, but it not going to remove your data. Okay, what is hard means it is also same, it will revert back to working area. It will, if you use the hard command, it will come back to working area, but it will remove the content. Okay, it will revert back to working area, but it is going to delete your data. That is the difference between the mixed and hard. Okay, soft, what is soft? The soft will come back one step to staging, and it is not deleting your it is not removing your data what you enter latest data. Okay, but what is mixed, it will revert back to two steps to working area, it is also not going to remove your latest data. What is hard, it is also coming back to your working area, but it is going to remove your latest data. Okay, let me show you practically. See, we already checked the cat, there is 3 lines of data only. Let me enter 2 more lines. Okay, sorry, see, I entered 2 lines of data and I'm saving it. Okay, let's do cat. See, I entered 2 lines of data, and let's see the status of the file. See, it is not yet added. I am going to add the file. Let's see the status. See, it has been added, and I am going to commit it. I get 2 lines more. Oh, sorry. Yeah, I have here. Okay, let's see the status. So it's nothing to commit, we are at committed level. Okay, let's see the log. See, added 2 lines more. Yeah, it's nothing to commit. Okay, let's use soft. See, Okay, let's do the status. See what that soft commit has been done. It will revert one step back. Now it is in the staged file area. If you want to move to commit, you can commit again. So let's see there is a data or not. Is the data is still available or not? Let's see. Sorry. See, our data is still available, but it moved one step back. That's it. That's not nothing it will do. It will come back one step. Let's go for another. Let's let we go for mixed means nothing but okay, first we have to commit this one. Okay, second time committed for mixed. Okay, let's check the status. So it's nothing to committed. Okay, now we are going to use this. I told you that if you don't use anything, it will automatically take. By default it will go for mixed only. No issues. Paste. See, let's check the status where it is. See, it will directly come to the working area. Now it is in the red color. Previously it is in the green color for that soft. Now it is in the red color. Now it is in the working area. So let's see the data is still available or not. See, the data is still available, but it moved to the working area. It revert back to the working area. So that is about the by default it will go back to the reset. Now I am going to use, okay, let's use status. See, it's in there. Now I am going to add it for, now I am going to show what is hard, how it's work. So for that I am going to add this before. Git add again added for hard. Okay, let's check the status. So nothing to commit. Now I am going to show hard. It is in the commit position. Hard. Okay, let's see. I did mistake. I did mistake. Okay, it revert back. Okay, let's see the status. Nothing to committed. Let's see the cat and do what is our about file. See, I told you that before, the hard is very dangerous. It is going to delete our data, and it come to its origin position. It will delete our last commit, and it will come to our working area by deleting latest data. So as I mentioned before here, like that, it is going to it will come to working area by deleting latest commit and latest code. It will also come to it will also remove the latest commit and come back to working area, but it is not going to remove data, latest data. It will also remove latest commit and come back to index search like this. So till now we have completed checkout, soft, reset. In that reset we have seen three types: soft, mixed and hard. Now as for now we are going to see revert. Then what is revert? Now what is revert? Sorry, what is revert means? Okay, what is revert? Sorry, what is revert means? Revert is nothing but, as we see. Okay, revert means, okay, from till commit you are committed, you are from working area to you have added it and you have committed it to your local repository. From there you are going to push to remote repository. After push to remote repository, it will be in the central repository in GitHub. So you want to remove from central repository to revert back to when you are to want to revert back. So you want to remove that from central repository what you enter. So you want to revert back to your origin position. What you will going to do means, you are going to use this revert. If you use revert command, it is from central repository, it will revert back to our working area. And also it is also remove content. Okay, like hard, it is going to like as similar to hard it is going to work, but it will also work for remote. From remote server to working area, it will remove entire thing. So I will show one hands on how it is going to remove. I will show you a diagram also from here to here. This what is this one? Revert. Okay, it from remote repository to it is revert back to working area, and it is also going to remove the latest content, commit, add it, and it will come back to working area. It will remove the content. Okay, that is the use with this revert. Now I will show with hands on. Let me go to this. Let me go to this one. Let's check the status. There nothing to committed, so I am going to add some code inside. I'm going to save this one. See, thus I have added 2 lines of code. Let's check the status. Yes, we are going to add it, commit and push it. Before that, I am going to show my local repo. See, wherever we have been worked here, project called project1 in that document directory in that nxt folder. Okay, nxt file, sorry, in that I have nxt file. I have changed .in nxt file. That file is in the document folder. That folder is from this project1 project. Okay, now I am going to show from my repo. see, this is project 1. From project 1 doc this folder, from this file you can check there are only 3 lines here. We have only 3 lines of code in this file. Okay, let me go and push this file to remote. Okay, git, it's added. Okay, now I am going to commit this one. I'm going to commit this one, add it to remote hyphen sorry yeah. Okay, 2 instructors were added, 1 file shell, 2 instructors were added. Now I am going to push it to local repository. Let's see the status before that. Nothing to commit, so I am going to push it. Sorry, see, that is going to, it's done, it's already, I think it's pushed. Let's check in our repo. See, we have successfully added 2 lines of code in our file from local to remote server. Now we have added 2 files of code in our remote server. So I want to revert back. How can I do now? Check. We are going to do that only. First we have to check local log, git log. See, the latest commit is added to remote. So for revert we have to use commit ID here. Let me take 67. Okay, let me take this commit ID here, and we are going to use this command. Sorry, this is the commit ID. Copy and paste. I'm going to put enter. Okay, it will open one VI like this. It will open one VI like this. The previously I added to remote. So now I am going to, what I am going to enter is, sorry, remove from, sorry, revert from remote. Okay, I'm going to save this one. Okay, let's do the status. So nothing to commit it, so we are going to do cat C. We have added, see, I will show in my background. See, here we have 5 lines of code in our remote server. Here we have 3 lines of code. It means it is going to, it is revert back to its original position. So here why it is showing means we have to refresh it. How? It's not removed, but in local repository it has been removed. Why? In the sense nothing is there, we didn't get pushed. Okay, see, every changes you have made in your local repo you have to push to server, then only it reflects over there. Now I am going to push it. The the pushing has been done successfully. Let's refresh. See, we have revert back with our 3 lines of code. We have removed that 2 lines of code. The latest commit has been removed. So that's the way we are going to use these 3 types of commands. By the point of interview, it is going to very useful for interview purpose. In real time you can use or not, I don't know. It will depend on the project, it will depend on the situation when it come to you. So but into point of interview, it is very important. Okay, if you like this video, please like it. Thanks for watching this video.